Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation we're going to see how we can limit the logon hours for a user account up inside of Windows Active Directory. Once again, I'm logged on to my DC1 on my Server 2019 domain. I have Server Manager open, and now if we go to Tools, we're going to select Active Directory Users and Computers. Once you're up inside of Active Directory Users and Computers, find your user's account. I'm up inside of the Users container, and just double click that user's name. From here, up inside of the user's properties, just go ahead and open up the account tab. From here you can click on the button for logon hours. So by default, a normal user account has access 24 hours a day. So if we want to restrict the user from being able to log on from 7 at night until midnight, we would just select those hours, go all the way across, and then select the radio button for access or logon denied. Now the user can log on except between the hours of 7 p.m. and 12 midnight. Once you have your restrictions in place, go ahead and say OK. Now if you need to go back in and make a change, just open it back up again. If you need to enable those hours, just highlight them, and now you're going to select the radio button for logon permitted. Again, when you're all done, just say OK, and you should probably go back in and confirm that you do have the settings the way you want them. Once you do that, just say OK. Now you can go ahead and say Apply, say OK. So that's going to conclude this short video presentation on how we go about limiting the logon hours for a user up inside of Active Directory. So if you have any questions or concerns about any of the material that was covered in this short video presentation, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.